Hey there, STEM coding fans. Chris here. I've got my OSU shirt on. Got my dog right here on my couch, and I've got a special message specifically for the high school physics and physical science teachers out there. The same people that make this magazine, the Physics Teacher magazine, which is a good magazine, they put on a national conference every year in a different location. And this year they're coming to Provo, Utah. And so STEM coding, and specifically myself and Rochelle, will be coming to the Utah meeting in Provo, Utah on Sunday, July 21st. And we'll be running a half-day workshop specifically for high school physics and physical science teachers on how to integrate STEM coding activities into your courses. Normally the workshop is $60, but thanks to grant funds through the American Institute of Physics, we can offer that at just $30, which is a bit cheaper than the other workshops. So Workshop 34, Provo, Utah, Sunday, July 21st. I hope you join us there. Sorry my dog can't come, but I hope you can join us and get some hands-on experience with integrating coding into high school physics and physical science.